How to play emoji game on Instagram. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of the Instagram. So for that you have to go and check out into your app store or the play store that you are using and search for the Instagram. Now you have to click on it, and if there is the option of the update, you just have to update your Instagram. So once you update it, you just have to go back and open up your Instagram once it is updated. Now you have to go in the chat section, and from here you have to select the chat and the person you would like to play. Now you have to go in the message, and from here you have to select the emoji that you want to select and we play with. Now what you have to do is once you send the emoji in the chat, you just have to simply tap on the emoji. And from here you are able to play with the emoji game on the Instagram. So this is how you can play emoji game on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.